Vanakkam brothers and sisters. Welcome to Indian Catholic Ministry YouTube channel. Happy New Year. Yes. Today is the first day of new liturgical calendar. It's a church calendar. So we begin our new calendar, new church calendar, church year, new liturgical year with the season of Advent. Yes, it is a season of hope, peace, joy and love. Imagine you are in the car behind the wheel and you are waiting for your child. You're going to pick up your child. You are in the pickup lane and your child arrives. She gets in the car, and as soon as she gets in the car and buckled up, you look into it and you go into the passing lane, and then you come out of the school campus. You are now driving to your home. So that's your destination. So on the way to the home, your child is in the conversation with you. She's telling all about what happened inside the school campus since you left her in the morning. So she will be telling like what happened during the assembly time, how Daniel dropped off his backpack, and how the teacher has to call him and talk to him. And today Mrs. Miller was really dressed up so nicely, and she got a shorter hairstyle. And as soon as she enters into the classroom is so beautifully and brightly. It was decorated so bright colors. Color purple, it was beautifully decorated, and she even saw baby Jesus inside the classroom. It's so amazing. Only thing is Mrs. Miller didn't let the children to touch that. Not now. She said she will let them do it before the school. Yes, for the winter holidays. And they were talking about something called Advent, the season, Advent season, and they were looking into the candles. The teacher even let them touch those candles. She get to see 3 purple candles and 1 pink candles. It's a pink is her favorite color, so she was so excited today to touch those pink candles. While her while her friends in her table, they all like the purple color, including the Jacob. He also likes purple color. So it was so interesting. And then they get to go and play outside for the recess. Today she's so happy because her table get the first to go and play in the slide. And after that playing, she was so thirsty. She drank water and she came again, and they were doing the science, and they were learning about the day and the night, how the sun is there how she could see the sun in the daytime and the moon in the nighttime. They were having so much fun doing that science, learning science. And then they had their lunch. She's so happy to have her favorite milk, chocolate milk in the lunch box, and then she had her sandwiches. She shares everything. What happened, so much exciting thing, what happened with the students, within her and everything. All the while she was saying everything to you, you are keep driving your car. You're making sure you're taking a right left turn at right time. You're taking a right turn and a left turn in the right time, in a right way, following all the traffic laws and all the road signals, everything. And you are stopping for the stop sign. You are letting the pedestrian walk even though it's a red, even though it's a green for you and red for them. Since they're coming by, you're making sure you are following it, everything, and slowing down where you need to be slowing down. And suddenly there was a detour. So you have to go home and you can't go there. So you're taking a detour in another way, and then you're reaching home. So this is something, typically it happens when you pick up your child. What you're saying is all along that journey, that road journey from school to the destination, to the home, the child is talking. Not only the child is talking, the mom, the dad, whoever picks up, they are also in the conversation. So the mom asks, okay, so what about the Miller? Mrs. Miller, you said she would dress nicely. What color do you remember? Oh yeah, she's wearing a purple color. Yeah, maybe she's wearing it for the Advent. So you're just kind of asking her a question, and you are also engaging yourself in her with her in the conversation and all that. And you are asking open-ended questions, nurturing her, and you're talking about the Daniel, what happened? So did the teacher yell at her? No, they were talking, why, what happened? Then she tells her, he dropped the backpack and the water bottle fell down and it opened, the lid got open and the water spilled. So the teacher has to take him away from that place because he spilled all the water on his shoes, wet his shoes and socks and all that. So once he asked a question, more is coming out, and then you were talking about her, how the psychologically you're helping her, getting her to things, understand. So there's so many things are there, all the while you're doing it, but still you're driving the car, making sure your child is nicely buckled up and seated in a straighter position, everything, not texting. So we are doing all this. So it is so surprising how we could engage in a conversation at the same time you are driving, you are going into another destination. So this kind of watchfulness, this kind of an alertness is the one we are here. So in today's gospel, Mark chapter 13 verses 33 through 37, Jesus saying, be alert, be watchful, stay awake, for you do not know when the Lord of the house will come. So that kind of a watchfulness only we are going through. This road trip, not a road trip, this car journey is like our life journey. Our destination, here it's a home, but our destination is to see God in heaven, to go to God in heaven. So all along the way, the child conversation engaging is our spirit, our spiritual, our faith, our spiritual journey is going on there along with our regular life. We are in the earth. We are having this life journey. We are holding that hope, peace, joy and peace, love, everything within us as a faith, as our hold. We are being alert and watchful and prayerful. So Jesus calling us in this Advent season, while we prepare for the birth of Jesus, while we prepare ourselves and wait and be watchful for Jesus' second coming. It's not just 4 weeks, it's throughout our life. But this 4 weeks, we not only remember and recognize and prayerful, thoughtful, watchful, alert, not only for Jesus' birth, but also Jesus' second coming. With hope, for the first week, we light this purple, and the second week, peace, purple candle, and the third week is the pink candle, joy, and fourth week, purple candle, love. So here with the Advent wreath, which is a green color, green is a life, full luscious green, you will have it here, and here along with it, this is the wreath in a circle. So it goes round and round. God's love is eternal. So it goes round and round. And there is one white candle. So we light this white candle on Christmas Eve. Yeah, on Christmas Eve, we light this white candle. This is something recently. So either you could buy a candle like this, or get some plain candle and just wrap it like this with a purple or pink. So you could do it like this. So here Jesus today, let us ask God, let us ask Lord, help us to be awake, help us to be alert. Let us be more prayerful through our prayers, through our deeds. Be watchful, be alert. And let us be awake to the presence of God around us. Whether we are going for a walk in a nature, whether we are working in a workplace, whether you work in a home or outside workplace, whether we are studying, let us be awake for the presence of God around us. First Sunday of Advent. Oh, come, Emmanuel. Come, Jesus, come. Advent really is a time to look back and to prepare to celebrate the day when Jesus Christ was born. And also, it is an opportunity to look forward to the future when He will come again. And we be prepared that we see Him and join Him. And Advent is also involves the present. During Advent, we become more attentive to see Him in everyday events. We celebrate Advent as past, present, and future, opening our heart, opening our body, opening our mind and soul to the presence of Jesus Christ in daily basis. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to Indian Catholic Ministry YouTube channel.